Healthy flavorful cooking for your entire family. 1700W Power Air Fryer Basket holds up to 5.3 quarts, 5.0 liters, one of the largest fryers on the market. All-in-one convenience cooker. Use it daily to fry, roast, bake, reheat or grill. It does it all and heats up in 3 minutes. Faster, more energy efficient, less mess. Convection technology uses rapidly circulating heated air for fast and even frying with little to no oil. User-friendly, easy to read, adjustable controls, temperature settings from 180 degrees to 400 degrees for a wide variety of recipes, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff alerts you when food is done, power and heat indicator lights. Bonus: a collection of delicious air fryer recipes, contained in the user manual, to get you start. Top reviews from the United States. Save so much time and energy on cleanup. This was bigger than I anticipated, but actually I love it. I can cook our entire meal at one time. There's 3 of us. I have an injury that won't allow me to stand for long to cook. However, this air fryer is definitely a game changer. We have had extreme hot temperatures, so I was thinking of ways to fix meals other than the stove or microwave. This thing is truly awesome. I can fix anything. Literally anything and everything. What amazes us is the fact the taste of the food is actually better. Maybe cause there's less work. Lol. On the serious side, my BF is an extremely picky person, especially when it comes to his food. At first he was doubtful food would come out tasting as it should. Finally, after giving in, he realized that not only was food good but so easy. Especially if you're on a tight schedule. Put your meal in, set timer and choice of degrees, and it's really as simple as that. Cleanup is my favorite thing about this, it's so very easy. Like I was saying, I can't stand long. So cleanup is important. You won't go wrong when ordering this.